A task is a tool for the daily organization of your team's work, including calls, emails, reminders, and deadline management. In SendPulse CRM, tasks help you remember what's important, stay focused, and effectively plan actions for each client or deal. In this lesson, we will cover how to manually create a task, assign a person responsible, set a due date, work with the task board, and view the history, filter, and manage statuses. Let's start with creating a task. Go to the My Tasks section in the left CRM menu. Click the Add Task button. In the creation form, you'll see the available fields: task name, task priority. You can select low, normal, or high. Tags. You can add tags to sort tasks by specific labels. The list of tags is the same for both the Contacts and Tasks sections in the CRM. If you edit a tag in one section, it changes in the other. Dates. You can also set a specific time frame for completion. Assigned Manager. This is the user who will be responsible for completing the task. You can also select a Watcher, a user who will monitor the task's progress. Task Repeat. This is useful if you need to perform the same task regularly. In the Task Repeat settings, select the frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. You can add your own custom fields to a task to record additional data in any format. You can also add a parent task to organize a large project. It's easier to complete if you break the main task into subtasks. A task will be considered complete when all subtasks are completed. To select a parent task, click Add Parent Task and choose from those you've already created. Don't forget to add a task description. For convenience, to change the formatting, highlight the text and select a tool from the editing panel. Bold, italics, strike through, underline lists and links. Add a checklist to track which actions or requirements have already been completed. Click Add Checklist and enter its name and the name of each item. You can also assign a person responsible for each item on the list. You can also link a task to the completion of another task, a deal, or a contact from your account to transfer information about the work. Note that a linked task is independent of a parent task and they can be completed in parallel in any order and at any time within the project. The Add File option helps you supplement your task with documents and other important information. You can choose a file from your account storage or upload a new one from your device. The file storage is shared across the entire service. You can add files of any extension except executable files. After you've filled out all the fields you need, click the Add Task button. There's another way to create a task. You can also create a task directly from a deal or contact card. Open the desired deal or contact. Go to the Tasks tab. Click Add Task. Fill out the form just as you did in the first method. This approach is convenient when you're already working with a client and want to add an event to the CRM immediately. Managing tasks. All your created tasks are displayed on the task board. Tasks are shown in columns by the status New, In Progress, and Done. You can also add your own statuses. You can drag and drop tasks between columns on the board to manually change their status. To edit a task, click on it. In the editing window, you can change the data. For example, the task status, assign a new person responsible or a watcher, complete the task, subscribe to the task. To receive notifications about it, duplicate the task. Here you can change the task's details, add fields, parent task, subtask, and files, and delete the task. When you delete a task, it is removed from the board along with all associated data. To apply actions to several task cards at once, simply switch to the list view. Check the boxes for the tasks you need and select an action from the panel. Change status, complete, or delete. A few tips. Add reminders to help you stick to deadlines. Link tasks to deals so that the client's history is complete. Set a priority so managers know what's critically important. In the next lesson, we will talk about viewing tasks.